Hello children, so today we will see what is an essay writing is. Before beginning we will see what is an essay is. So it is a written composition giving expression to one's own personal ideas or opinion on some topic. So whenever we give our own personal ideas and opinion to a short written composition, that is called an essay. So next we will see the several characteristics of a good school essay. So it should have unity, that is, an essay must be a unity developing one theme with definite purpose. So there should be one theme with a definite purpose. The subject must be clearly defined in the mind and kept in view throughout. So before writing an essay, the idea must be clearly defined in our mind and the view should be kept throughout. The next is order. Okay, so there must be certain order to be followed when writing an essay. That means certain ordered lines throughout and come to a definite conclusion. The essay should follow certain ordered line. You see, certain ordered line throughout and it should come to a definite conclusion. The next is brevity. What is the brevity? So school essay should not be too long. There should be a limit of 300 words. Of course, you can write even a long essay, but when you are if you are in a school level, your essay should not be more than 300 words. Then comes the style. So an essay can be written in a friendly way. So when it is written in a friendly way, the style should be very conversational. It should be easy, natural and familiar. Also, an essay can be written in a literary forms. Okay, so then it cannot be very familiar or natural or easy. All right, so this is the style of writing. The next is the personal touch. An essay should reveal the personal feelings and opinion of a writer. Okay, so whenever an essay is written, the personal touch should be given. And how it can be given? Through a personal feelings or the writer's own opinion. Alright, so next we will see the type of essay, that is reflective essay and a narrative essay. So what is reflective essay is? So a reflective essay is a thought on some subject. Okay, so reflective essay is written on some thought. It is a reflection of some thought on some subject, an idea arising in the mind. Okay, so the reflective essay consists of reflection of thought on some topic. So whenever an essay is reflecting the reflection of some thought about a topic, it is a reflective essay. So now what is a narrative essay is? A narrative essay consists mainly in the narration of some event. Okay, so we write narrative essay while narrating some events, okay, or series of events. All right, so these are the types of narrative these are the types of essay, that is reflective and narrative, and these are the 5 characteristics to be kept in mind while writing essay. Okay, and what is an essay is, that is, it is a written composition giving expressions of one's own personal idea or opinion on some topic.